Ever since the pandemic, we've been struggling really with the volume of people coming through ED and how quickly we deal with those patients. If we were to redesign and rebuild our A&E now, it would need to be 3 times the size that it is now.
And that's based on 500 patients coming through the doors on a daily basis at its peak. That results then in longer waits for people, potential for harm and potential for longer stays in hospital. I chair the People Academy and we often talk about the violence and aggression that is taking place, patient or visitor to staff, on a regular basis, and that is particularly volatile in A&E. So the longer the waits, the bigger the frustration, and our people are really struggling.
So what this programme is going to do is to look at the totality of A&E, the patients coming through, the staff interactions, to see how we can make it better for everybody involved.
We need to look at how we can better utilise alternative pathways to ensure that patients don't have to sit in the emergency department for longer than is necessary.
The only way to make sure it looks right is through collaboration. And that collaboration should be both internal and external, finding out how they think things can be improved as well as what we think. We're hoping to see a number of changes. I think 2 major ones. The first one really for me, the important one, is the ability of technology to make a better patient and staff experience.
We're looking at also seeing what we can do with the estate. So we currently have a number of constraints in the floor plan. The department was designed to accommodate about 250 patients a day, and it's insufficient, and we need to look and see what we can do.
We're going to engage with staff, patients and other stakeholder groups.
And that will include 111, the police, ambulance service, primary care teams.
And we'll also be improving the staff experience by having an estate that is built and fit for purpose. That should improve the quality of care and also the staff well-being and reduce the number of incident reports.
This will improve collaborative working amongst all our teams across the trust and externally.
And will enable us to become an outstanding healthcare provider.